Students, I am going to discuss about the stability of carbanions. The stability of carbanions depends on several factors. It depends on several factors as number 1, conjugation effect. Conjugation effect. This effect stabilizes the carbanion through delocalization of unshared electron pair of carbanion with pi bond of the anion. So this effect stabilizes the carbanion through delocalization of unshared electron pair of carbanion with pi bond of the anion. For example, this is allyl carbanion. This undergo delocalization and produces other structure like this. This is allyl anion. This is allyl anion. The another example is benzyl anion. This delocalizes as etc. Many structures are produced. More is the resonating structures, more is the stability of carbanion. See another example. This carbanion of, say, a general or aromatic, whatever it may be, say it is AR. This undergoes delocalization as since this is alpha hydrogen, it also carries alpha hydrogen, so no need of to mention here. Some carbanions are very stable for several minutes or even hours in freezers at -20 degrees Celsius in dry tetrahydrofuran, THF. THF, it is tetrahydrofuran, it is a solvent. When it is kept in dry solvent, THF, and allowed to stay in freezers, so many hours it is stable. For many hours it is stable. For example, ethyl carbanion of, for example, ethyl carbanion bonded to benzophenone. This is molecule of benzophenone, and this is ethyl CH3. So it is 2-methyl benzophenone, 2-ethyl benzophenone carbanion. It is very stable because of extensive conjugation. Very stable because of extensive conjugation. It is important to mention that because of the presence of unshared electron pair, there is delocalization of negative charge in this ring. Very important factor. Due to presence of unshared electron pair, there is delocalization of negative charge in the ring. But because of the presence of carbonyl group being electron attracting, there is delocalization of pi electrons in the ring. There is delocalization of positive charge in this ring and negative charge in this ring. Delocalization of negative charge in this ring and delocalization of positive charge in this ring. So it is peculiar example of stability of carbanion. Second point is S character. S character decides the stability. Decides the stability of carbanion. S character decides the stability of carbanion. More is S character. More is S character of carbanionic carbon. More is the stability, and vice versa. For example, this is more stable than this, and it is more stable than this. Now see the S character. This carbon is in sp hybridized state, this carbon in sp2 hybridized state, and this carbon is in sp3 hybridized state. sp3 hybridized state. S character 50%, S character 33%, S character 25%. So it is more stable and it is the least stable. Now what is the reason why when S character is high it is more stable, and when S character is less it is less stable? What is the reason? The reason is very simple. Reason is very simple. A carbon with more S character, the reason is this. Reason is as carbanic carbon with more S character, is more electronegative. And a more electronegative carbon and a more electronegative carbanic carbon holds unshared electron pair more tightly, therefore allows the stability, therefore enhances the instability, therefore enhances the stability, enhances the stability. So you can say it is more electronegative carbon, more electronegative. This is less electronegative. So a less electronegative carbanic carbon is less stable because it holds the unshared electron pair for a short period, while a more electronegative carbon holds the electron pair for the longer period and stays as such for longer period. So it is most stable and it is the least stable. This is the reason behind it. अगला पॉइंट, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इफ सल्फर और phosphorus, if sulfur or phosphorus is directly bonded to carbanic carbon enhances the stability due to overlap of unshared electron pair with vacant d orbital of sulfur or phosphorus, whichever is present. That is d pi p pi bond formation takes place. So if sulfur or phosphorus is directly bonded to carbanic carbon, enhances the stability due to overlap of unshared electron pair with vacant d orbital of sulfur or phosphorus, whichever is present. That is d pi p pi bond formation takes place. See with the example. Now this is sulfur, this is, or in general example, this is carbanion. This is carbanion. This carbanion, this comes overlaps with vacant d orbital and it migrates as such. So it is yes. This is negative, double bonded. This is double bond CH. So this is one bond is here, d pi p pi bond, d pi p pi bonding. Now it is the negative character. Now the negative charge shifts to oxygen atom, which is more stable. And you know that when a negative charge is present on the more electronegative atom, that one is more stable. So it attains stability due to formation of d pi p pi bonding between the sulfur and the carbon. Now fourth, if positively charged nitrogen is bonded directly to carbanic carbon, it attains stability due to electron withdrawing field effect. Electron withdrawing field effect. Electron withdrawing field effect. Electron withdrawing field effect. If positively charged nitrogen is bonded directly to carbanic carbon, it attains stability due to electron withdrawing field effect. If positively charged carbon or phosphorus or phosphorus or nitrogen, whatever it may be. See the example. This is nitrogen. When it is bonded to 3 alkyl groups, so it becomes quaternary. This is CS2, like that. This is carbanion. It is called nitrogen halide. In general, it is called nitrogen halide. Now see this field. There are two fields. One is negative field, another is positive field. So this positive field attracts the shared electron pair towards itself. What happens? This carbanion becomes stable. So So this is field effect. Field effect of positive charge. Field effect due to positive charge. Field effect due to positive charge on nitrogen. Field effect due to positive charge on nitrogen. So you already know that there are two fields, one is negative field and other is positive field. When two opposite fields are present in the same molecule, there is attraction between them. So this is the representation through this arrow, which indicates the field effect due to positive charge on nitrogen, and it becomes stable. This becomes stable. See with another example. Say it is or like that, CH3. This is acetamide. NN dialkyl acetamide generates a carbanion. This is the carbanion. It shows resonance. This is amide group, lone pair of electron in conjugation. So it comes over here and it goes there. What happens? This, see, this is negative charge. It comes positive. This is CH3. CH3. This is CH2, negative charge, and it generates the positive charge. Again, similar situation arises in this molecule. Here is positive charge directly bonded to carbanion. Here is positive charge directly bonded to carbanion. So there is field effect. This is field effect. Field effect. Field effect. So this field effect what performs? Attracting of the electron. So it is electron attracting field effect. Electron attracting field effect. Which attracts the electron? The positively charged nitrogen attracts the electron. What happens? The carbanion becomes stable. So you can write that field effect stabilizes the carbanion. Stabilizes the carbanion. Now next point is, this is fifth point, aromatic stabilization of carbanion. Aromatization of carbanions. Aromatization of carbanion. Aromatization of carbanion gives stability to anion. Gives stability to anion. Aromatization of carbanion gives stability to anion. For example, you already know that among the stability factors, the aromaticity comes first. So we see with example. For example, cyclopentadienyl anion. Cyclopentadienyl anion. It is aromatic anion. Aromatic anion because it fulfills the required conditions of the aromaticity. So it gives several structures. You can write like that. It gives 5 structures. 1 2 3 this is here, this comes over here, this goes there, this is negative 4 and one more. If you write like that, so it will be like that, it will here, and this is 5 structures. All structures are equivalent. The negative charge is here, then it shifts to here, again shifts to here, it comes over here, and this comes over here. 5 equivalent resonating structures provides the extra stability. These 5 resonating structures, these 5 are equivalent resonating structures. Resonating structures make this anion very strong, make this anion very stable. So these 5 equivalent resonating structures make this anion very stable. So aromatization is one of the factors which provides the stability to the carbon. One more factor is inductive effect. This is inductive effect. You already know it. The minus I effect is proportional to stability. More is minus I effect, more is the stability, and plus I effect decreases the stability. So it is inversely proportional to stability. Say with example, for example, if fluorine is bonded to carbanion, it is more stable than Cl. And again Cl is more stable than bromine containing carbanion, and lastly iodine containing carbanion. This is because of the minus I effect of halogens. This is due to minus I effect of halogen atoms. Halogen atoms. You already know that fluorine is highest in electronegativity and iodine atom is least in electronegativity. So depending upon the electronegativity, or in other words, due to minus I effect, this is more stable and this is the least stable. So this is minus I effect problem. Now second positive one. So the plus I effect decreases the stability. The plus I effect decreases the stability. The plus I effect decreases the stability. More is plus I effect, less is stability. Stability. You know the simple examples. This is CS3. Carbanion is more stable than CS3. CS2, and this is CS3, and lastly this one, it is least stable because of more and plus I effect. This is plus I effect. So this is the order of stability. No, remember your note. CS3 anion is rarely formed. Is rarely formed. Now sixth one is stability of non-classical carbanion. Stability of non-classical carbanions. Non-classical means it is away from such carbanions, or away from such carbanions, or away from unconjugated or conjugated carbanions, so called non-classical, so called as non-classical carbanions. Such carbanions are away from unconjugated or conjugated carbanions, so called as non-classical carbanion. For example, this is molecule. So this is norbornone. This is two hydrogens, like that. When it reacts with a base, generates carbanion. Like that, H, and this is the carbanion. Now it shows resonance like that. This goes over here and this comes over here. So what will be the product? This is negative charge and this gets attached to this. This is anion of carbanion. Yeah, you can write only anion. So name of this is norbornone carbanion. This is norbornone. This is norbornone carbanion, and this is anion of this carbanion. So this is about the stabilization of carbanions. Now relative stability. You know, different kind of carbanions have different stability. So a relative order follows as a relative order of stability. A relative order of stability follows as the most stable carbanion is aromatic carbanions. So it is the aromatic carbanions. Then benzylic carbanions. Benzylic carbanions are several kinds. When contain CpS3, C6H5, C6H5. Now this is this one. when it is bonded to C6H5, C6H5, H. Now this one C6H5, CS2. Now close it. Then allylic carbanions, allylic carbanions, allylic carbanions are of 3 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So write the order like that. This is most stable. Then secondary one, CH3, CS2, double bond C, H. This is H. This is CS3. This is carbanion. Because of inductive effect of CS3 group, it is less stable than this. And when you add CS3 double bond CH, C, CH3, CH3, this is negative charge. This carries 2 methyl group, so it is least stable among the allylic carbanions. Now see the S character containing carbanions, it is more stable. Then this is like that, and after this the order is fluorine, CS2, then bromine, no, not chlorine, CS2, then bromine containing, this is iodine containing, and last alkyl carbanions. Alkyl carbanions. So it's aromatic carbanions, more stable. Benzylic carbanions, this is the example. Allylic carbanions, this is the order among them. This is S character containing carbanions. Now it is electronegative containing atoms or groups like that. And lastly alkyl carbanions. The order of alkyl carbanions is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So order is CS3. You can write for the sake of convenience, although it is rarely formed, but you can write CS2, CS3, twice CH, like that. So this is about the relative order of stability. Thank you very much.